Adobe just put out the biggest update ever. And you know what that means? With a new update, it means a buttload of new features. And with the features of the new Photoshop update, it's some of the craziest and game-changing features Adobe has added to date. More specifically though, the Generative Fill feature, Adobe's take on AI content awareness. You can now take any photo and shop it to be the largest image imaginable. Let's just dive right into it, and let me show you an example. So here I have this picture of a cat that I found on Google, and let's say I want the picture to be larger. The picture isn't big enough for me. So you see here, I've changed the canvas size, but the image has stayed the same. All right, and we're going to Generative Fill your mom. Yeah, we're going to click this button, and we're going to your mom's house, and we're going to Generative Fill her up. We're going to Generative Fill your mother. Huh? Idiot. What, you're going to cry? You wanted to watch me make this image of a cat bigger? You're going to cry about it. You're a baby. You're a dumb baby. You want to use Photoshop so you can make your sci-fi images cooler, you dumb idiot man child? You're such a baby. What do you want to do with this feature? What are you going to do with it? Are you going to do something cool? You're gonna make some large pictures. Back in the day, we had to take classes to learn how to take objects out of images. And now you're telling me I can just click a button here and it does it? That's dumb.